Brihati Natural Foods is a company committed to providing high-quality, genuinely organic products. Brihati Natural Foods exhibited at IFE 2025 in Excel, London, with the support of the Bihar government to promote their products. This engagement was very successful, and hundreds of people visited their stall at 1016. They offer a range of natural foods, including detox and digestive green teas, and herbal energy tea and golden latte. Brihati Natural Foods emphasizes their adherence to strict organic farming practices, avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, and employing sustainable agriculture techniques.